I applied for the scholarship and it has made my transition very easy and less stressful.
You're going to see the process. You're going to be like, oh, I'm so grateful I did it, because that's exactly how I feel. It is scary a bit, but everybody is so welcoming.
The workshop was a very quick and easy process as long as I had all my paperwork. So everything went well, and I was walked through and guided through each step. So I'm glad that everybody was here to assist me and help me where needed.
My experience at the workshop was really good. They made me feel really comfortable. They answered any questions I had.
I'm happy that I was fully funded for the program so that I can try to, progress in my own journey, in my path to grow towards other industries.
I think the most rewarding part of the program has been the support from the girls and staff around.
You grow together, and I just love it every day.
My advice to anyone applying for the scholarship would be to do it and do your best in school and achieve your goals.
Just go for it, honestly. It's a great spot to be if you don't know where you want to start in the medical field.
A really great opportunity. It's paid for, so you have nothing to lose. You just have to give it your all. They told me that it was the best kept secret, and it's really true.
Just do it, and you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So might as well just see if you're eligible and go for it.
When I saw this opportunity, I kind of just jumped at it.
Just go for it. You never know your opportunities that you have if you don't apply yourself first.
Register now.
Register now.
Register now.
Register now.
Register now.